Okay, so here's how I attach the lap belts to the Corbeau A4 on my C6 Corvette. I used the Sroff B23 snap-in adapters, and I put a little twist on it. Seems to work pretty good. I don't have any complaints other than, they're just not too long, so looking for a way to make it a little easier. So that's where this Brey-Krause adapter comes in. This is the short model. It's about 4.5 inches from center hole to center hole at the top. We'll see how they work. Here's the driver's side on the pre-tensioner on the buckle side. Lines up great, fits great, still has movement back and forth with the bushing, works as it should. The other side here is a little bit of a challenge. So this I had to bend, put just a little bend into it, put some tape on there so when it presses up against the suede it helps reduce wear and tear, and I had to shim it out a little bit with some washers on the bottom so it fits correctly without wearing the seat down. Okay, here it is installed. Easy access. Real positive engagement, it's clipped in versus the previous items I had. Here's the weather, the flashing tape for windows that I put on, real sticky, but it provides some kind of resistance to abrasion on the suede. Super easy access, but they're not sticking up so high where it's obnoxious. Unclip it, push it back, slide it back, and it's out of the way. Track day, slide it forward, clip it in, good to go. All right, so what's my takeaway overall feeling of this? I initially went the affordable route. Sroff is awesome products. They're great, the highest quality. This really wasn't meant for what I was doing, but it worked just fine. The Brey-Krause mounts specifically meant for the C6 Corvette, not necessarily with the Corbeau A4s. But when I use these mounts, modified this one a little bit, just bent it out so it clears the seat. I get much greater range of motion with the seat as far as sliding back and forth. And the lap belts feel much more secure as far as when I try and cinch it down on my lap belt, on my lap. So very happy with this.